COVID-19 hit, families had been shut out of making in-person visits in assisted living homes. Strict rules implemented after data revealed the virus hit a lot of those communities hard, compromising their immune systems. Now families can visit, but rules are in place. 9 on your side, Sierra Encinas explains.
Assisted living facilities like the one you see behind me are offering different types of visits for their residents, something the Pima Council on Aging says is critical.
We know, for instance, that isolation can have a really drastically negative health impact on individuals.
W. Mark Clark was part of the task force on long-term care that created the benchmarks for visitation. Pima County is one of several Arizona counties in the moderate zone. Loved ones can visit in person and outdoors. But the task force recommends before letting visitors indoors that there must not be an outbreak 2 weeks before.
That what they can say is, if you want to come in and do an indoor visit, this is what you have to do. And then also outdoor visits. I think the principal difference, the biggest difference is outdoor visiting will not require the test.
It's up to the individual facility to decide the protocol that must be met before entering. Some of Arizona's recommendations are showing a negative result less than 2 days before the visits, sending an attestation that the visitor has isolated before entering, and requiring masks, something Tucson Assisted Living Retreat is in contact with their residents about.
Everybody's really excited. Actually, just the fact that they've heard this on the news, they've been calling, they're excited about coming. It is important that they know that it does have to be scheduled.
Before this, they were allowing loved ones to have visits via video chat and even through the window. And for those in hospice, compassion visits were allowed. That's how this 98-year-old was able to have a birthday party.
90% of that visit, she had a whole birthday party in the facility, but outside, she had her family having a party outside. So it was actually really fun.
It's important to call the facility that your loved one is in because each one has different policies. Sierra Encinas, KGUN 9 on your side.